Classification of sentences: statement, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Statement: it may be noted that four kinds of families are, when classified, seen in a society, and the widely accepted one is the one which is ruled by a father/husband. The form of a common family is father/husband plus mother/wife plus children. That is, father asks the question, the mother answers to it. Here, the mother remains the answering factor. Adapting this type of family into a sentence, we get the form of subject plus verb plus object, where the subject is visible ruler and the verb remains submissive to it. Not necessary that it is true, it can be opposite as well. Both are important: husband, wife, father, mother. Example: the man hunted a tiger yesterday. Here, the verb hunted answers to the subject, the man, what he did. Such answering type sentences are known as statement, declarative or assertive sentence. A statement always takes the form subject plus verb plus object. Example: Shakespeare wrote The Tempest. Here the subject is Shakespeare, verb is wrote, object is tempest. Interrogative sentences: unlike the above mentioned one, a family can be seen where the wife dominates over the husband, especially if he lives in the dowry house. We knock at such door and wife opens the house instead of the husband. In such cases, the husband is always questioned by wife. Example: did you see him yesterday? If this sentence is closely examined, the ruler is you and preceded by did and followed by see, main verb. Since the unit of verb is did see or saw, it can be assumed that it began with did and therefore verb begins before the subject. Hence, a verb that questions a subject is said to be in interrogative. Interrogation means questions. Example: when can I meet the principal? Here it may be noted that question begins with a word of interrogation, yet the basic formation is verb plus subject plus object pattern. Note: what, which, who, whom's, whose, how, when, why, etc. are the words of interrogation.